I know eating healthy can be a bit of a challenge, and when you want to go for a weight loss journey, oh, it seems like a roller coaster. What to eat, what not to eat, क्या खाएं, कितने calories, कैसे क्या करें? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, what to eat, right? That is a question that goes in your head every time when you think of eating healthy. But there is also a myth, like in generally most of the people, that they think that eating healthy is boring and it's all like that ubla stuff. But that's not true. You know, eating healthy can be so much, so much, so much delicious that I can't even stress that out. So today I have got one such recipe which is filled with protein, filled with fiber and healthy fats, which will keep you full for long. You can have it for your breakfast, you can have it for your evening snacks or whatever you like. So, are you ready to make chickpea salad? Yeah, it's like Chatpata chickpea salad. So let's go and make it. Doesn't this look gorgeous? Let's give it a taste test. I know it's gonna be fantastic. Okay, I gotta finish this plate. Before you go, hit that like button, press the subscribe button and share it with someone who would like to have this yum delicious healthy food. And I'll see you next time with another recipe. Till then, bye bye.